Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. How are you all? Welcome to APSEC's online support program, APS DCI Islamabad. This is class 2 computer science lecture for week 3 second term. Dear students, value of the day is sharing is a good habit. Sharing is good because it teaches us to take care of others. We can share those things with others that they don't have, and it makes them happy. Dear students, today's topic is my first presentation, task 1, all about slides from chapter 12. The textbook pages are 114 to 117. Dear students, after today's lecture, you will be able to recognize different icons of PowerPoint program and their functions. For doing this, you must open and save your presentation with your name. So dear students, let's start. What is a presentation? A presentation is mean of communication that can be adopted to various speaking situations such as talking to a group, addressing a meeting or briefing a team. For example, if the teacher assigns you a topic and you have to speak about it, you have to say something, you can express your feelings, you can express your ideas, and you can include different pictures, videos related to your idea in the Microsoft PowerPoint. A PowerPoint presentation consists of slides. Slides are like short pages, and in these pages you can insert text, pictures, sounds or videos. You can also insert graph charts, pie charts, clip arts, etc. There are multiple things that you can do with the PowerPoint slides and create a meaningful presentation. That is, you can present your idea very well through Microsoft PowerPoint. Dear students, for using the Microsoft PowerPoint, first, you go to the desktop icon and open Microsoft PowerPoint by selecting it. Then the first slide comes. The first slide is always the title slide, and there are different layouts for the other slides. If you want to add new slide, on the Home tab, you get to the Slides group and click on New Slide. You are free to choose any kind of slide depending on your needs. That is, there are different slide layouts available. This means the layout means that slide can be shown in different versions. Okay, you can compare different topics on the slide, and in some slides you can also add a graph chart. In some slides there is only a topic and below is the explanation. So there are different slide layouts depending on what you need and how you want to express your topic. Dear students, let's create a PowerPoint presentation. From the desktop icon, from the Start tab, I open the PowerPoint presentation. Here I have a title slide. For example, I write on it, myself. So, the topic of my presentation is myself. And I am writing my name, that is Aisha Kashif. So, now on the next slide, I can add different pictures and I can add different shapes. Let's start with the shapes. I insert a shape that is a circle like this, and from here I can choose different options, different styles. I have different styles for this shape. For example, I choose this style, and now I can edit text in it. For example, I write here, I teach in APS DCI. Okay. Now, on the next slide, like this, we can have different slide layouts. Like I right click on this slide and you can see we have a layout option. In this we have different layouts like title and slide, title and content, section header if you have different sections for a topic, to content, you are presenting two contents, two different topics on the same slide, or if you are comparing two things, or a blank slide, a title only slide, and in this slide you can add different pictures and videos, and picture with caption and content with caption. There are different options. Now for this slide, for example, I write it like this, and I can also edit this text. Like I select this text and now I go to the fonts option and I can select different fonts, writing fonts like this. There are multiple writing fonts available. For example, I choose Californian FP and it's like this. I can bold this content like this, like selecting B, and I can change the size of the font by going here and then selecting the side what I think is appropriate like this. Okay. Now I go to file option and here you can also see we have different designs available. Okay, different slide designs, and we can select the design of our choice. For example, I choose this design. Okay, and this design is now applied to my presentation. Like this is my title slide according to the design I selected, and this is the content slide. Okay, now I write thank you at the end of the presentation. Okay, and then I go to the design ideas. From here, through internet, we get different design ideas for the design we selected. Yes, now you can see there are different designs available and you can choose the design you want to. Okay, for example, for the last slide, yes, you get different options. Like if you select this, thank you. Okay, now you have to save your presentation. You go to save as and then you go to the folder where you want to save your presentation, like on the desktop. I select desktop and I enter the name as Aisha Kashif. Okay, and I am saving this presentation on the desktop. Save. Now the presentation is saved on the desktop. Dear students, for written work, go to syllabus worksheet pad second term, class 2, chapter 3, task 1. In this worksheet, you have to point out which of these files are PowerPoint presentations. For example, number 1, my presentation. Is this a PowerPoint file or some other file? Tick true or false, whatever you think is right. In this way, you have to solve this worksheet. Thank you, dear students. I hope you understood the lecture. You can always ask any query. Stay home, stay safe. Allah Hafiz.